Yes, we are live. We are live. And today, guys, we are going to talk about are the Bitcoin bears struggling to go lower. We're going to look over the charts. We're going to answer some questions. So, welcome to my live stream, okay? If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you don't understand how to read the charts, hit that subscribe button, because over here, I only focus on the charts because the charts will never lie to you, okay? The charts are the numbers, and the numbers don't lie, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. Shout out to everybody that's coming in, okay? All my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my new subscribers. During this live stream, of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? And if you're watching that replay, you can actually hit settings, hit speed 1.5 or 2, and you can speed up the video. So let's get this party started, guys. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Actually, let's pop out this chat real quick, and then we're going to shout to Dan, Sean. What's going on? I only see 2 people so far, so hopefully most of you guys come through. Now I see Crypto Corey. All right, so let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. All right. Let's turn that up a little bit on my side. All right, so basically, I got the dark version today. So right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 53.4. Okay, that's basically telling you that the bears are still here. The bear market is still here, still alive, and basically, price right now is not really going anywhere. The market cap is at 113. So, percentage wise, nothing is going on in the crypto world. So I definitely expect something to happen. If it's not this week, next week, okay, but probably gonna be this week. All right, we'll see. We will definitely see. But right now, nothing going on in the crypto world, guys. Okay, just another slow day. Welcome to crypto. So let's go to this chart real quick, and we're going to go over the chart and basically give you guys, or give my thoughts. All right. So right now, just look at this. It's just a slow grind down, and we just formed another flag. Okay, we talked about this yesterday or day before yesterday. Okay, another flag going on right here. And honestly, I'm just waiting for this thing to continue to push down, because it doesn't make any sense for Bitcoin to go all the way down to here and not go back to 3,200 or even 3,100. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. I mean, we basically forming another flag. It's just, honestly, it's getting crazy, right? So it's a slow grinding, market right now, and you just have to understand how to read the charts, so these guys won't trick you, and you won't fall asleep. Okay, there's still a lot of money to be made. All right, so just keep your eyes open. Keep your just make sure that you continue to see what's going on, the bigger picture. All right, we're gonna go to your guys' questions, and then we're gonna go from there. But let's look at the other charts real quick, and let's see who we have in the building. So Litecoin popped up and not really doing anything, honestly. I mean, we had a green bar right here, so we will see if Litecoin can actually push up a little bit more. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum looks real weak. Really no big push up on Ethereum. It's just sliding down, just like Bitcoin. What else? Bitcoin Cash. And shout out to everybody that's gonna come through later on. Bitcoin Cash, same thing, breakout, pullback, and it's looking weak. All right. XRP, what's going on with XRP? XRP looks weak too, because we popped up and it's look like it's going all the way back down. Okay, so just be careful, guys. If you are in this market, if you're trying to just buy the dips, be careful. All right, so let's go to these guys' questions and then we'll go from there. All right, if you're new to this channel, shout out to you. Okay, if you have any questions, type it in. Right, if you have any questions, type it in. I've been doing this for 11 years. Okay, this is what I do full time. I'm a professional. I do this. I actually day trade Monday through Friday. Okay, the financial markets. Okay, I swing trade crypto. Honestly, the technical analysis is the same thing. Okay, if you go to any market, it doesn't matter if it's crypto, forex, commodities, the same thing. All right. So if you're new to my channel, have any questions, type it in. I know some of you guys are frustrated, sick of seeing this market, just go down or not do anything. So, if you're definitely one of those guys or girls, hit that subscribe button, because over here, only thing I do, guys, is just basically try to give you guys the real deal. All right, so let's go from here and let's see if I see any questions. Shout out to Dan, Sean, Crypto, Corey, Frederick, Mike, Stefan, Jay, Peter, Ripple. All right, Best Trader, ZRX. Let's look at the chart. Okay, let's see if I see a better chart than this, because right now the information I'm getting on this, let's see if I can see a better chart than this. All right, so ZRX looks real weak. If you look at this, basically what we forming right here is a triangle. Okay, if we look at that, this is a triangle, and that usually means continuation. And it broke out of that triangle, so that usually means continuation. So just be careful when it comes to this coin. And anybody else have any questions, please type it in. You said you bought. Jay said I bought your course and shorten this current bear flag. Shout out to you. Are you talking about Bitcoin? And when did you bought my course? You bought it last week? So shout out to everybody that's coming through. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that's watching this. Okay, so you shortened 2 weeks ago. So you shortened that BTC. You said lots of OTC selling. You said, Peter. So the OTC market is selling. That's what you're trying to say. All right. So right now, according to this article, Bitcoin is officially in the longest, bear market ever. You guys have to know that, and then we talked about this already. Okay, you have to understand that we can actually be in a long bear market because the way Bitcoin, went up. Okay, and it went all the way to 20,000. So the bigger the bigger something is, the harder it will fall. And sometimes it takes a long time to recover. Okay, it's just like if a giant fall on the ground, the giant is not going to just get up right away. It's going to probably take some time for that giant to get up. So the bigger you are, the harder you fall, and you know it's going to take a long time for you to recover. And that's what I'm looking at when it comes to this. All right. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys not fall for the trap when you hear stories like the bottom is here, or the bottom is, you know, near, or it's coming soon, blah, blah, blah. The bottom is around the corner, is 2020. Like, honestly, no one knows the bottom. So what I'm trying to help you guys, I'm trying to help you guys out and make you realize, you know, no one knows the bottom. So let's stick to reality, and let's actually take, you know, things day by day, and let's continue to look at the facts, which is the chart, and we go from there. So if you guys have any questions, definitely type it in. Okay, but right now, guys, you know, if you're new to this, you know, right now, 2019 could be the easiest money-making year. Okay, the easiest money-making year. Okay, last year wasn't too bad. Like 2018 wasn't too bad. Okay, and when I'm talking about making money, I'm talking about, okay, swing traders. Okay, because the only guys that's making money in this market right now are the swing traders. Okay, some of you guys are slow when it comes to deciding if you want to become a swing trader. But I'm here to tell you that some of you guys just need to learn, okay, and understand that it's not as hard as you probably think it is. All right, because the guys that's really making the money are the swing traders. Now, last year, you know, swing traders, we made money, okay, but when it got to like around here, you know, when it was chopping up, things got a little bit slower. Okay, now when we dropped out of here, okay, you know, a lot of money on this side right here. Now, ever since January, okay, the new year, it's just been a slow grind down, but it's still money to be made. And the reason why I'm thinking, you know, this year could be like pretty much one of the easiest years to make a lot of money is because, honestly, I think the trend is not going to be as choppy like last year. Okay, last year we were just in this big range right here. All right, this year I think we're just gonna grind slowly to the downside. So it's just, you know, it's just, if you really know how to read a chart, it's just like, you know, these guys are literally just giving you money. So I think swing traders are going to make a lot of money. And if you're not a swing trader right now, you have to, you know, step up your game, in my opinion. Because if you don't, you're just gonna, you know, just gonna be on the sideline waiting. All right. And honestly, I don't know why you guys want to do that. Really don't. So let's go to you guys' questions, and then we'll go from there. All right. So let's go to you guys' questions. Alrighty, let me see what we have here. What's going on, James? You said you love the moon tricks video. Yeah, man. I did that, I think it was Sunday I did that. It just came to me, so I just did it. What's going on, Mike? So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, type it in. If you guys new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. So let's go to the question of the day, guys. Okay, the question of the day is: are the Bitcoin bears struggling? Okay, are the Bitcoin bears struggling to go down? Okay, that's the question of the day, and the answer is no. Okay, They are not struggling. It's just the way the market is right now. Okay, if you just understand how to read a chart, you will see that the bears are still in control. They are not struggling at all. It's just this. It's just a slow grind down. Okay, it's not a fast movement to the downside. It's just spike, consolidation, spike, consolidation, spike, consolidation. So it's just a slow grind down. Okay, most people do not know how to read the chart, so automatically they think that either we're not going on anywhere, or things are slowing down, or the selling is slowing down. No, it's not slowing down. It's actually going down. Okay, but it's a slow, slow motion, put like that. So the way I'm looking at this is, guys, Bitcoin shot up, right, all the way to 4,200. Okay, we tried to make another high or a new high, and Bitcoin couldn't, didn't make it up to the high. All right, so we went right back down, and that's what we're doing. We just continue to go down, continue to go down, and pretty much it went I'm guessing this is like a 90% pullback right here. Okay, so just think about that for a second, guys. All right, we went up, but we gave back 90% of that up move. So just the way things, just by looking at the bigger picture, this doesn't look bullish at all. It looks like it wants to continue to go right back down to that 3,200 to test that 3,200, 3,100. All right, but it's just going to be a slow grind. Right, and you have to understand that. And if you look at, like I said, you look at the bigger picture, the bears are not struggling. It's actually the bulls are struggling, because if you look at this, right, let's zoom in real quick. The bulls is trying to go long. Ever since here, the bulls are trying to go long, and as soon as they go long, they get stopped out. They go long right here, they get stopped out. They go long right here, they get stopped out. They go long right here, they get stopped out. So if you really understand technical analysis and understand what's really going on, you will see the sellers are in the driver's seat right now. Okay, it's been like this since 2018. Okay, and the way I trade and the way I look at the market, the way I make money, I go with the major trend. The major trend right now is to the downside. So I will not step in front of this train. Okay, that's not how I make my money. Okay, I make my money going with the major trend, because once you understand the major trend is always on your side until it decides to reverse, then you could understand you can make money, consistent money. Okay, that's the key. Not just money, once in a blue. I'm talking about consistent money. Okay, so that's what we're looking at here. If you guys have any questions, please type it in. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Okay, and let's go to any questions right here. Let me see here. I wonder if you guys are getting my notifications, because I don't see my regulars at all today. I don't see Keith. I don't see Swazza. I don't see Dom. I don't see AZ. I don't see Randy. I don't see Davina. I don't see none of my regulars, which is kind of weird. I don't know if you guys are getting that notification. But anyway, let's go back to let me see. Look at silver chart. Your thoughts? Yeah, shout out to you, best trader. Yeah, well, I'm definitely go to the silver chart. And also, if you're new to my channel, check out my course, because I think most of you guys don't even have this course. Okay, some of you guys don't have this course by now. On my live stream, I usually give you guys that discount. All right, this only for live stream though, guys. All right, only for live stream. So let me give you that 50% discount for you guys that don't have this already, and for you guys that don't really understand the charts. Okay, this basically, this course will show you how to make money in the bear market, in the bull market, the best of both worlds. All right, it will teach you how to become a professional. You just go down the list. It would, you know, this is what this course is about: how to enter, how to exit, when to stay out the market, you know, how to get in the uptrend, how to get in the downtrend. And you just go to look at, you know, my testimonials. You will see people, you know, making money from this course. You know, I have people that's making $200 all the way up to $30,000 from this course. So check that out. It comes with a Discord. You can chat with me and my subscribers. And if you have any questions, let me know. I just put the link into the description. Let's go back to these questions. Someone said, look at silver chart. Yeah, we talked about silver. We talked about silver. What do you call that? We talked about silver the other day, and I told you last month. I told you guys that silver is looking like it's going to hit that $16 mark, and guess what? Boom, we hit that $16 mark, and basically we're pulling back a little bit, but I'm thinking silver is going to follow gold. So if silver follows gold, and gold looks like, if you look at gold looks like it's trying to go right back. You know, let's zoom out real quick. Gold is looking like it's trying to go right back to this resistance area right here. So if gold continue to go back to the resistance area, most likely silver will follow gold. So I think silver has more upside. Okay. All right. Let's go back to James Lee said, where's the trolls at? I don't know, bro. I don't know where the trolls at, bro. They sleeping or something. I don't know. Let me see. What's going on, No Money? You said just showing up. What's going on, G Baker? What's going on, Green Thumbs? Shout out to everybody. Let me give you guys another round of applause. And if you don't have that bottle already, if you don't have that bottle of the Moon Tricks, pick up the bottle of the Moon Tricks on Amazon. Okay. So let's go back to this. Let's go back to the chat room. Ron said, "Looks like I'm late to the party." No, you're not late. I mean, you're a little late, but you said, "What's my thoughts on Binance Coin?" I don't know, bro. What's going on? I haven't looked at this in a minute. I haven't looked at Binance Coin in a minute. I don't, honestly, this up move looks weak, and it looks like continuation. So honestly, I don't like this at all. Okay, this looks like continuation. Looks like a flag, just to go right back down. I don't like this. Okay, I really don't at all. Hey, what platform can you short crypto stress free? Shout out to you, stress free. You can use JAFAX. Okay, you can use what else? You can use BitMEX. You can use Kraken. You can use as another one. I'm forgetting. Just email me. Okay, just email me. Anybody don't have my email address? Here's my email address right here. And basically, you know, you could contact me right here. But also, if you don't have my the course, check that out too. All right, what's going on, Carlton? What's going on, guys? So basically, the Bitcoin bears right now are in control. Okay, so please understand that. Bitcoin right now, is not making higher highs. Please understand that too. Okay, we have to make higher highs. We are not making higher highs, so understand that. Okay. Understand that we retraced pretty much 90% of this up move right here. Understand that. Okay. Understand that so far this is the longest bear market. Okay. So right now the sellers are still in control. Everything looks weak. The volume is low. So I definitely expect some type of movement either this week or next week. Even if they decide to, spike up a little bit, which I don't think they probably want to, but even if they do spike up, I think it's going to be a quick spike just to go right back down. But right now, like I said, I'm leaning more to the downside because, the way this whole situation looks. Okay. And we talked about this, before. And, you just have to learn how the market works. It's just what it is. And Bitcoin could go lower. Yes, Bitcoin could go lower than 3,000. Okay. But I'm here to tell you it's okay. It's okay for Bitcoin to go lower than 3,000. Number one, you can make money from that. Okay. That's if you know how to read the charts. You can short the market. All right. Number two, once you learn how to, short the market, you actually have more skills for that next bull market. All right. Most of you guys don't understand. If you really know how to build up your skills and understand the bear market, when that bull market comes, bro, oh my goodness, your skills will help you make way more. Like for example, like most of you guys, right? Honestly, if you get my course, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But most of you guys think that the bull market is all about buying a favorite coin and just holding it. No, bro, you can make way more money, just by not just by holding. Okay, there's other ways you can make money while the market is going up. And I definitely teach you guys that in my course. But most of you guys think that it's just buy and hold. Okay, no, in the bull market, bro. I mean, it's just, if you really understand how to read the charts, you can make a lot of money. But anyway, so that's what we're dealing with. Okay, that's what we're dealing with. We're dealing with a bear market that looks like it wants to continue to go down. If you learn how to read a chart, you can actually, profit from that. And also, once you understand how to read the charts, and when we start to bottom out, you can start to accumulate and buy at cheaper, buy coins at cheap, when they're cheap. So that's about it, guys. I mean, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Type it in, right? But let me see. What's going on, WOA? You said did your wife get that? Not yet. What's up with Tether? It is 90 cents now. I don't know. I mean, it's not going down. I mean, it's at 90 cents, but Tether's honestly, I don't think, I mean, it could. I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on with Tether, man. Most likely it's gonna go right back up. Who knows? Brandon says some people say that the bear market really just started due to some CA standards. Say the charts can correct up to 70% all-time high. Reach 75% not long ago. So let me ask you. You said some people say that the bear market really just started due to. Said that the charts can correct up to 70% from the all-time high. But BTC breached 75 not too long ago. I thought BTC went to 82%. I mean, according to this, we dropped 82%, I believe. So we declined 82%. Uh, 562 said, if you can do good in the bear market, you can crush the bull market. All right. Let me give him a round of applause because that is so true. That is so true. Okay. Let me give him the bomb button too. Shout out to him. That is true. If you can crush the bear market, you can literally the bear market would be, the bull market would be a breeze. It's just, All right, so no bull market this year. Maybe some relief, but that's, yeah. What's going on, Sean? Have you looked at Litecoin? Yeah, I looked at Litecoin. I don't know what Litecoin was doing, but I looked at it. Oh, matter of fact, I did look at it. So right now, we basically at this resistance zone right here. So just be careful, okay? This zone right here is known for, just basically every time we hit this zone right here, sellers come in, so be careful. Let me go back to these questions. Anybody wants that NFL Super Bowl? Kind of crazy, right? Kind of slow. Lance said, "Do you think it's a chance we can never? Do you think it's a chance we can never have a bull market again?" Shout out to you, Lance. I don't know, bro. It all depends on how bad these, this market get crushed. All depends on how bad this market get crushed, That's a great question, man. That's a great question. I know some of you guys, your favorite YouTuber will tell you, man, of course we're gonna have a way better bull market, or the next bull market is gonna be crazier than this one. I know, and I'm not trying to be that guy. I'm trying to be as real as possible and tell you, bro, I don't know. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I want the changes that we are seeing in this market. I want to see how bad we get crushed in this bear market. What's going on, Chris? Sean, I just got your class. Got to keep you going. What's going on, Sean? So you got the so did you, what class you're talking about, Sean? Sean said, would you commit and trading live at least one day a week? What are you talking about, on my YouTube channel, Sean? So guys, if you have any more questions, please type it in. I'm waiting for these questions to come in. Right now, Bitcoin is dropping a little bit, so we will see what's going on tomorrow. Right now, I'm on the East Coast, so tomorrow we'll see what's going on. All right. But if you have more questions, type it in. If you don't, we can end this early. Okay. Actually, some of you guys know that I have a daughter, and basically, she started walking last week. Actually, like I think she took her first step last week, and now she just walking a lot now. She's still crawling, but she's walking a lot. Man, it's amazing how you see your children just just grow right in front of your eyes. Let me see here. BA6035 said, "What books do you BH? I hate to say this because it seems like I'm plugging my stuff. Okay, it's best to get this. Okay, this is going to be better than any book. All right. Only reason why I'm saying that is because it's going to be a step by step. That's number one. A book is not really going to give you step by step. Okay. Also, it's visual. Okay, books, you're just going to read words. When you're dealing with trading, okay, if you look at the chart, it's visual. All right. They might give you pictures here and there, but even the pictures is not going to be as better than it's not going to be better than a video, because a video will show you step by step what you need. So check out this course. It's not that much. Honestly, it's only 150 right now on a live stream. When I get off, it's 300. When I get off a live stream, it's $300. If you really want to step up your game, you will get my day trading course. Okay, that's a little bit more. My day trading course is a little bit more, but that's only for people that want to make money daily. This is only for the swing trading guys. People that want to swing trade the markets. Okay, but let's say that you don't get my course, okay? Because at the end of the day, I don't force anyone to get my course. Books are good, but it's not really going to show you how to really trade. So, go out there, watch some videos or whatever, okay, and just practice. Open up a demo account, practice. Because honestly, the books that I believe that's good out there, is on psychology, and that's about it. If you don't have my links, I'll give it to you right now. You said, how did I learn? I'm from New York. Okay, I'm from New York, so I know. A couple of people from Wall Street. I learned a couple from them, and I learned from a couple of videos online. Okay, and this trial and error. Okay, trial and error. All right. Honestly, in the beginning, when I first started out, I was just learning by myself. I didn't honestly. I took the long route. I don't recommend anyone take the long route. It took me 8 years to figure this stuff out. I don't recommend anybody take that route. Okay, if you could try to get a mentor or a coach or whatever, that will shorten your learning curve. Okay, but this stuff is life changing once you understand it. Let's go back to these questions right here. You say you hear a lot of streamers talk about psychology barriers, 3K, 4K, but what about the other Asian markets are bigger? Why don't we talk about those? You said Asian markets are bigger. So you think do you think Asian markets are bigger? You know. Do you think Asian markets are bigger? I don't know, bro. I don't know. All I know is, you know, the U.S. markets, they hold a lot of weight, especially now since they have that Bitcoin futures. Okay, so they hold a lot of weight. There's a lot of money in the U.S. Man. A lot of money. You said on the hour. On the hour what? Hour chart? Sheesh, man. This thing looks. You know, right now it's just going up. I mean, it's just going up. So I don't know what to think about this, honestly. I don't have enough information going, you know, looking at this chart. If we just basically looking at January 19th and that's it. Only a month, you know, and really I don't have a lot of information on this chart. So Bitcoin just popped up just right now. So we will see if they want to play games around this area, okay? But eventually they have to go somewhere. They have to do something. Sean said visuals all the way. I'm a rock, but I interpret pictures better. Sean, I mean, I don't, you know, honestly, I don't. You probably you probably thinking that, but for example, I can tell you something, right, and show you a picture, and at the same time, sometimes, you know, you might not understand what I'm trying to say just by showing the picture. I think if I explain it on a video better, okay, I think I can, you know, I believe I can explain, you know, certain things better on a video versus a picture. Bob said I was scammed into a BTC generator. What is that? What's a BTC generator? New Money said, man, I have been taking a long route. That's why I'm here listening to you, man. I hear you, bro. I hear you, bro. Alrighty, so guys, you know, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. I appreciate all my new subscribers. I appreciate anybody that's new watching today. Hit that subscribe button, okay? If you have any questions, you can email me. But just watch out for this flag that we are in right now. It can pop out this flag any moment. Okay, it might not be tomorrow, it might be Wednesday or the end of the week, or it might be next week. Okay, it is a possibility they can go up one more time, but right now I'm leaning more to the downside because you know, I think they want to bring this down to that 32 level. Okay, so just please, guys, be careful. A lot of money to be made, and I hope you guys are understanding that. And please try not to think that, you know, every little up move is the bottom. Okay. So let's see if I see one more question. Who said, hi Ben, great into you say you made it into a previous upload. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. You said, oh, great intro. Oh, okay. Thanks, man. Thanks, bro. You talking about the moon tricks? Yeah. Yeah, that idea came to me, I think Sunday morning. So I just decided to knock it out. All right, so guys, we're going to continue this tomorrow. All right, and we said BTC hasn't stopped, it's not going up. Yeah, I know it's going up. Yeah, I know. So we can continue this information. This live stream tomorrow. And if you guys have any more questions tomorrow, just basically, you know, write them down, you know, and put it in the chat room. But thanks a lot for all my subscribers tuning in. Let me give you guys another round of applause. All right. And, you know, continue to improve as a investor, as a trader, as an individual. Okay. Life is about growth. It's not about standing still and, you know, hoping that you're gonna make it. No. Life is about growing, taking action. All right. So continue to grow, continue to study the charts, continue to you know, just learn more. All right. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. But shout out to everybody that's here. Talk to you guys later and have a great night, guys.